you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. Look at this backdrop. I finally put up shelves. I have my couch in the background, pictures on this side. I finally feel like an official YouTuber now because I have something going on back there and it looks pretty good. Honestly, like, I'm not too impressed with it because the lighting looks a little weird. I need to get my lighting better. That'll come eventually, but today we are talking about lashes. I have not had my lashes done in months, maybe even a year. I took a break because I wanted to practice doing makeup, and having eyelash extensions is not the ideal way to practice eyeshadow looks and taking off looks constantly and removing and brushing and all of that is just too much to do with lashes because you knock them off, it gets dirty quicker, it's just not a fun time. So I quit doing them for a while and we're back. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and you guys can keep on watching to see how I do it. Alright you guys, so this beginning part is going to move really fast. Somehow the way I edit that happened, but I'm just going to clean my tweezers. Then I will apply my lash primer on just a regular spoolie and make sure you coat all your lashes so that it gives the best adhesive to the extension. Notice I don't have any makeup on my eyes or around them either, so you can see those nice little veiny eyelids, but you have to do it for a good proper lash to stay. You cannot have makeup on. So then I'm putting on lash extension tape. This tape's good to keep your bottom lashes down in place so they don't get stuck to your top ones. That is a huge pain, and I don't just mean like annoying, I mean pain, real pain when they get stuck and glued to your top lashes. So then I'm showing you guys how I take the strip of lashes onto my hand. Finally, I think I record a nice video and I got my litter box in the background. My gosh. So I just kind of give you two different views, a side view. I don't know if it really helps, but I'm going to leave a couple clips in here. Then I'm applying more individuals to my hand because it's kind of like a mix. I think it's called like a hybrid of 3D, which these are 60 lashes and individuals. So I just kind of do a nice little mix and add various lengths. I don't really like any thickness below 15.15, so if you have 0.10, I mean that's okay, but to me I like them thick. But if you have extremely thin lashes, then you may have to, opt for the thinner ones, but I really like 0.15 and 0.20. So this video actually goes really fast because there's not too many different angles, or I can't really just show you that much because it's all the same. I'm literally separating with my tweezers one individual natural eyelash and I'm sticking on an extension to that. So basically you dip your lash into the glue, then you'll see little black spots on the tape because I wipe off the excess glue because it's not good to have a drenched lash. It's going to get stuck to the ones around it and it's just really annoying. It's really hard to break apart and it's damaging to your lash follicles. So you really should only apply the lash extension to one individual eyelash. That's the healthiest way. It will fall out naturally because your eyelashes cycle through. I have more information on all of this in some older videos, and I may do some updated ones in the future, but I will link them below in case you guys want to go learn more. This is just me, everyday person, doing it myself. So hope you guys enjoyed. So that will wrap up this video, you guys. I hope you guys found it really helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to respond to every single one. I've had lots of comments on my previous videos, but sometimes YouTube, I don't know if they disappear or what, but sometimes I'll click on my notification to respond to you guys and it'll be gone. I can't find it. So I will do my best, and if you guys want to follow my other social medias, I will have them linked and you guys can ask me questions there. I'm not a professional, but I can give you my humble advice. Oh, I forgot to mention, me right now is about 1 week after I did this video and my lashes are still full, and the end shots that I give you guys is me today. So just FYI, I'm going to do a product video. I have to, because I have to share the glue that I have and the new 60 lashes that I used. Honey, I didn't know a sensitive glue could be so good, because I've heard things like sensitive glue takes forever to dry, doesn't last long, and blah blah blah. My lashes are still standing strong. Let me know if y'all like this backdrop. I honestly wish you could see the signs, because that one says I'm too creative for 9 to 5. No shade, I love my job. That one says love will find a way, and that one is a Bible verse that says, I wonder if I could zoom in on it. There it is. How cute. I just thought it was cute because all this stuff behind me is like little parts of my personality. Actually, I'm going to show you guys a little video. Let's just go look at my backdrop. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. If you'd like, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I'm over here like, bye, with my 3 fingernails done. 3 fingernails? I do my own nails too, but that's another story.